The summer sun may be fading, but your garden doesn't have to. In this video, discover 15 stunning late summer shrubs that bloom beautifully in July and August, with low effort and long-lasting impact. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, these picks prove that the best colors often come later in the season, just like the best stories. Which flower or shrub reminds you of your childhood garden? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your story. Subscribe for more garden inspiration made with seniors in mind. Whether you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, your garden should bloom when you do. These 15 late summer shrubs aren't just beautiful, they're resilient, drought-tolerant, and most importantly, senior-friendly, perfect for July and August. These varieties bring vibrant color and life to your yard when most flowers have faded, proving that some of the most stunning seasons come later in life. We know not everyone has the energy or mobility to be out there pruning, watering, and deadheading every day, and the good news is, you don't have to. These low-maintenance shrubs were handpicked with seniors in mind, so you can enjoy bursts of beauty without the burden of upkeep. Whether you're planting in raised beds, pots, or directly in the soil, these shrubs are forgiving, flexible, and fabulous for any garden space. Which flower or shrub reminds you of your childhood garden? Share your memories in the comments. We'd love to hear your story. Subscribe for more garden wisdom, made with you in mind, because your garden should thrive as beautifully as you do. Blooming beauties, late summer shrubs that steal the show. The summer heat may be wearing you down, but your garden? It's just getting started. Whether you're in your 60s, 70s, or gracefully blooming beyond, this season is the perfect time to plant shrubs that mirror your own story, resilient, colorful, and full of late-season magic. In this video, we reveal 15 incredible shrubs that bloom in late July through August, beginning with 3 timeless favorites that are as low maintenance as they are breathtaking. 1. Hydrangea paniculata, late bloomer, bold and bushy. This beauty reminds us that some things, like wisdom and color, get better with time. Hydrangea paniculata comes alive in late summer with cone-shaped blooms that shift color through the season. Easy to grow, drought-tolerant, and perfect for seniors who want visual impact without daily tending. Senior tip: plant in partial sun and enjoy blooms into the fall. No need for constant pruning, just let it grow and glow. 2. Rose of Sharon, Hibiscus syriacus, tropical flair, hardy soul. Who says you need a tropical climate to enjoy hibiscus-like flowers? Rose of Sharon is a tough, upright shrub that brings bold color and grace with minimal effort. It's a perfect symbol of inner strength, blooming beautifully even in tough conditions. Senior tip: it thrives in full sun and poor soil. Ideal for gardeners who want easy wins with exotic flair. 3. Butterfly bush, Buddleia, attracts life, color, and joy. Nothing says alive like a garden full of butterflies. The butterfly bush doesn't just bloom, it invites nature in. With long, spiky flowers in purples, blues, and pinks, it brings movement, joy, and a sense of wonder that resonates with every stage of life. Senior tip: prune in early spring and let it flourish. Through summer, no babysitting needed. These shrubs were picked with you in mind. The gardener who values peace, beauty, and simplicity. You've done the hard work. Now let your garden reward you. Tell us in the comments. Which flower or shrub reminds you of your childhood garden? We'd love to hear your memories and inspirations. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who deserves a garden as vibrant as they are. Fragrant favorites, shrubs that smell like summer memories. Gardens aren't just for the eyes, they're for the heart, the hands, and yes, the nose. If you've ever caught a breeze filled with floral scent and been taken back to your grandmother's porch or a quiet summer evening, you already know fragrance is memory in bloom. In this chapter of our 15 late summer shrubs, we spotlight 3 scented stars that offer more than just looks. These are low maintenance, aromatic, and ideal for seniors who want a garden that gently stimulates the senses without stealing energy. 4. Caryopteris, bluebeard, aromatic and blue-tinted. This small but mighty shrub bursts into soft blue blooms in late summer and early fall, and it releases a gentle fragrance when brushed. Its compact size makes it perfect for raised beds, patios, or easy-access walkways. Senior tip: Bluebeard loves sun, doesn't mind drought, and doesn't demand attention. It's perfect for hands-off gardening with maximum reward. 5. Sweet Spire, Idea virginica, scented and soft, great for shaded edges. With delicate white flowers that smell subtly sweet, Sweet Spire fills shaded spaces with life and movement. It's ideal for seniors who enjoy a peaceful corner of the garden, a place for tea, reflection, or prayer. Senior tip: Sweet Spire thrives in partial shade, making it perfect for spots where sunlight is limited. It also provides fiery fall foliage without the need for seasonal cleanup. 6. Russian Sage, Perovskia atriplycifolia, silvery leaves, soft scent. This airy, silver-leaved shrub is a stunner in late summer, waving gently in the breeze with lavender blue plumes that give off a calming scent. Think of it as the gentle soul of the garden, bold in beauty, soft in spirit. Senior tip: Russian sage is drought-tolerant and self-sufficient. Just plant and let it do its thing. No fuss, no stress. These fragrant favorites are more than plants. They're quiet companions. They don't need much from you, but they give so much back: beauty, scent, peace, and presence. Share with us. Is there a flower or shrub that reminds you of a special place or person? Drop your memory in the comments. It could inspire someone else. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more senior-friendly garden inspiration, because your golden years should bloom with joy. Birds and butterflies. Plant once, feed life all season. A quiet garden is beautiful, but a garden filled with birdsong and butterfly wings? That's pure joy. In this section, we highlight 3 wildlife-friendly shrubs that do more than decorate. They nourish and invite life. Perfect for seniors who want their garden to be a haven, not a hassle. Whether you're sitting on the porch with a cup of tea, watching hummingbirds flit from flower to flower, or smiling as the grandkids chase butterflies around the yard, these plants give back in ways that go beyond bloom. 7. Abelia grandiflora, tiny trumpet blooms. This semi-evergreen beauty is a magnet for pollinators. With soft, bell-shaped flowers and a sweet scent, it draws hummingbirds and butterflies without demanding much in return. Its arching stems add elegance to any border or path. Senior tip: Abelia tolerates heat, requires little pruning, and blooms from summer into fall. A quiet workhorse with a flair for life. 8. Joe Pye weed, Eutrochium purpureum. Loved by butterflies and grandkids alike. Don't let the name fool you. Joe Pye is a pollinator paradise, with towering stems and dusky pink blooms. It adds height and drama to your garden while inviting swarms of monarchs and bees. Bonus: it's a story starter with the grandkids. Senior tip: best in moist soils and sunny spots, but very low maintenance. Once planted, it takes care of itself, just like a true friend. 9. Elderberry, Sambucus, edible, bird-friendly. Elderberries are a win-win. Beautiful in bloom, fruitful in fall. Birds love the berries, and you can too, if you get to them first. This multi-purpose shrub adds texture, shade, and a sweet connection to nature's rhythms. Senior tip: elderberry grows fast and adapts to most soil types. A great choice for filling in space and feeding feathered friends. If you want a garden that gives back, these shrubs are for you. They're low effort, high reward, and turn any green space into a sanctuary of wings, color, and life. Do you grow to feed wildlife? Tell us in the comments. Who visits your garden the most? Birds, bees, or butterflies? Subscribe and grow with us, because a thriving garden can be one of life's sweetest legacies. Easy to manage color. Shrubs that do the work for you. Gardening should be joyful, not exhausting. If you've ever wished for color that shows up without needing you to show up every day, this is your moment. In this section, we feature 3 stunning shrubs that provide bold color from leaves and blooms alike. And the best part? They practically care for themselves. These choices are ideal for those in their 60s, 70s, or beyond who want their garden to stay vivid and full of life without daily upkeep. Raised beds, containers, or backyard corners. These are winners in any space. 10. Spirea gold mound. Yellow leaves, pink flowers. This cheerful shrub brings a golden glow to your garden with its bright foliage, even before the pink blooms arrive. Compact, forgiving, and long blooming. It adds an instant sunshine vibe to borders or walkways. Senior tip: requires little pruning, and grows well in full sun. Water it during dry spells and enjoy the color show all season long. 11. Ninebark Physocarpus, deep burgundy foliage. Ninebark adds drama and richness with its layered leaves and peeling bark. The Diablo, or Little Devil varieties are especially striking, offering deep red to purple leaves that hold their color even in summer's heat. Senior tip: incredibly low maintenance. Ninebark is pest-resistant and drought-tolerant, perfect for gardeners who want structure and contrast without extra care. 12. Dwarf Fothergilla, color-shifting leaves. Low maintenance. This little powerhouse offers blue-green leaves in spring, white bottlebrush flowers in early summer, and stunning orange-red foliage in fall. It's like having 3 seasons in one compact shrub. Senior tip: perfect for smaller spaces and partial shade. No pruning needed, just plant it and enjoy the show. These shrubs prove you don't have to sacrifice beauty for simplicity. They bring color, texture, and life to your garden without overwhelming your time or energy. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite low-maintenance plant that still puts on a show? We're always looking to share wisdom from the gardening community. Subscribe for more easy gardening tips, chosen with care for seniors and late bloomers alike. Late season legends. When everything else fades, these keep blooming. Just like people, some plants save their best for last. As summer fades and most gardens start to wind down, these 3 late-season legends step into the spotlight, bringing vibrant color, food for pollinators, and a sense of celebration to your garden. If you've ever felt like August gardens fall flat, these picks will surprise you. They're dependable, senior-friendly, and full of life at a time when most shrubs are calling it quits. 13. Sedum Autumn Joy, late bloomer, lives up to its name. This reliable perennial shrub-like plant starts with pale pink flower heads in late summer, then deepens into a rich rust color by fall. It's the kind of plant that just keeps getting better, and that's why it's a favorite for mature gardeners who appreciate lasting value. Senior tip: drought-tolerant and easy to divide. Sedum requires very little attention. Leave it alone, and it still thrives. 14. Beautyberry Calicarpa, shocks of purple berries in August. If you want a wow moment, this is it. Beautyberry lights up your garden with clusters of vibrant purple berries that look almost too pretty to be real. Birds love them, and so will anyone who visits your yard. Senior tip: great for borders or informal hedges. No complex pruning needed, and it grows beautifully in part shade. 15. Asters, technically a perennial, but shrub-like in form. August surprise bouquet. Asters are the garden's parting gift, blooming in late August with joyful, daisy-like flowers in shades of purple, blue, and white. They form dense clumps that behave like a small shrub and attract late-season pollinators when little else is in bloom. Senior tip: plant them once and divide every few years. They return stronger and brighter each season, a true symbol of quiet resilience. These late-season legends remind us that some of life's richest colors come at the end. If you've ever felt overlooked by fast-paced trends or spring-only gardening advice, this list is a gentle reminder. Your garden, like you, can bloom beautifully in its own time. Which plant in your garden surprises you every year, just when you thought the season was done? Let us know in the comments. Your wisdom helps others grow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who's still blooming in every season of life. A garden that grows with you. It's never too late to bloom. That's not just true for plants, it's true for people. Whether you're starting your garden journey at 60 or nurturing it at 80, there's still time for color, joy, and purpose. These 15 shrubs we've shared aren't just late summer bloomers, they're quiet teachers. They remind us that beauty doesn't rush, and that some of the richest colors come later in the season. From the soft scent of sweetspire to the electric purple of beautyberry. From butterfly visits to memories of childhood gardens. Each plant tells a story, and now, it's your turn to write your next chapter with your hands in the soil, your heart in the season, and your eyes set on what's still growing. Plant boldly, garden gently, and let your backyard mirror the life you've lived, vibrant, layered, and full of grace. If you're in your golden years or just finding your stride, know this: gardening isn't about keeping up, it's about keeping connected. Connected to nature, to rhythm, to peace. and to the memories each bloom can bring back. If this video gave you even a moment of hope, joy, or inspiration, give it a like. Share it with a fellow gardener, maybe someone who thinks their best blooms are behind them. And subscribe to the Evergreen Seniors, where gardens grow, and so do we. We're not here to chase trends or plant what's popular. We're here to create spaces that nourish, gently, beautifully, and meaningfully, just like the people who tend them. Drop your favorite summer shrub below, or one you'd love to try this year. Your comment could inspire someone else to start planting again, or believe that their own season of beauty is just beginning. Thank you for spending this time with us. May your garden be full, your hands be dirty, and your days be bright with color.